What is ketosis? In normal circumstances, the body's cells use glucose as their primary form of energy. People can typically obtain glucose from dietary carbs, including sugars and starchy foods. The body breaks these down into simple sugars. Afterward, it either uses glucose as fuel or stores it in the liver and muscles as glycogen. If there is not enough glucose available to provide enough energy, the body will adopt an alternative strategy to meet those needs. Specifically, it begins to break down fat stores and use glucose from triglycerides. Ketones are a byproduct of this process. These are acids that build up in the blood and leave the body in the urine. In small amounts, they indicate that the body is breaking down fat. However, high levels of ketones can poison the body, leading to a condition called ketoacidosis. Ketosis refers to the metabolic state in which the body converts fat stores into energy, releasing ketones in the process. The keto diet. As ketosis breaks down fat stores in the body, some keto diets aim to facilitate weight loss by creating this metabolic state. Keto diets are usually high in fat. For example, 20% of the calories may be protein, 10% may be carbs, and 70% may come from fat. However, there are different versions. The nutrient proportions will depend on the version of the diet a person follows. Adhering to the keto diet can lead to short-term weight loss. This is partly because people are usually able to consume fewer calories without feeling hungry. Is the keto diet healthful? The keto diet could reduce a person's risk of developing several health conditions, including cardiovascular disease, diabetes, metabolic syndrome. It may also improve levels of high-density lipoprotein, or good, cholesterol more effectively than other moderate carb diets. These health benefits may occur due to the loss of excess weight and the inclusion of more healthful foods in the diet, rather than the reduction in carbs. Doctors have also prescribed the keto diet to reduce the number of seizures in children with epilepsy who do not respond to other forms of treatment. Some studies have suggested that the diet could also benefit adults with epilepsy, though more research is necessary to confirm these findings. However, sticking to the keto diet on a long-term basis does not appear to provide many benefits. Researchers are now studying other conditions to see if a keto diet might be beneficial, including metabolic syndrome, Alzheimer's disease, acne, cancer, polycystic ovary disease, Lou Gehrig's disease, ketosis, and diabetes. In people with diabetes, ketosis can occur due to a person not having enough insulin to process glucose in the body. The presence of ketones in the urine indicates that a person needs to work on better controlling their diabetes. Some dietitians recommend a keto diet for people with type 2 diabetes. With this condition, the body still produces some insulin, but it does not work as effectively. The keto diet focuses on reducing a person's intake of dietary carbs. Those with type 2 diabetes should aim to consume fewer carbs, as these convert to glucose and increase blood sugar levels.